On my 4th for Christmas, my mommy thinks of me. I took to the Bahamas with my own YouTube channel, so subscribe and please watch me. Comment down below, hit thumbs up, enjoy my little show, and it's called MaliaroseTv.
Go.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's the second day of Vlogmas! Yay! And we have ornaments for the Dollar Tree.
Making ornaments from Dollar Tree, right? Okay,
Yeah.
you ready to make it?
Yeah.
Okay, first ornament. Go.
This is your first ornament. You have to take the top off. Then you have to pick which color you want right here between these two and stuff it inside. So first color is yellow for me. Stuff it for A. The blue. Stuffing. Now this time. This looks like an ornament poop.
Ornament poop. Why is everything poop?
Cause I say that all the time. That's what it calls. Red poop, red poop, red poop. And it's purple poop. So I'm gonna put the red next. Cause there's 2 reds in there. And I'm almost stuffed. It's almost stuffed.
It's looking nice already. Uh-oh.
I'll pick it up right now.
I'll get it.
Okay, get it. Now, pink and red. Red color is my favorite. Red color is my favorite.
I thought purple was your favorite color.
I changed my mind. Red is my favorite. I changed my mind.
That's mommy's favorite color.
Pink?
Red.
Red? What? It's almost stuffed.
It's almost stuffed.
Yep. It is. It is almost stuffed. It is almost stuffed. I thought purple was my favorite. I changed my mind
Let me
again.
see. Put some more of that one. This one. This one is pretty.
No, this one is prettier. I think this one is prettier.
Okay, you like the plain ones? Fine. Put one more. I think you could put like one more.
Okay, I'll put this one and then that one.
Okay.
All done.
All done. Now, let me see how it looks.
Look.
Pretty. Let me put the top on it for you.
Okay.
No, don't put no more. Give me the top.
Okay. Look how pretty it is, guys.
Okay, careful before you drop it.
It looks like a spinning Roni.
Let me see. Let it stay still. Okay. Now you can leave it like that, or you can add stuff to it. You wanna write something on it?
I want to write something on it.
Okay, what are you gonna write? Your name? You gonna put your name?
No, I'm gonna put a heart.
You gonna put a heart? Okay, go ahead, put a heart.
Whoa! That was so hard. This is a hard one. This is a hard one.
Lefty girl. You gotta color it so we can see. Be careful. Let me see your heart. Let me see. Move it up close. Let me help you.
I'll put these all to myself. So I want gray now. I want to spell my name with the gray.
It looks pretty.
You can decorate it however you like. But we can go on to the next.
Okay, you ready for the next one? Okay.
So now we're gonna make a snowman.
Okay, so what do you have to do?
So you have to draw 2 eyes. Then put the nose right here. Then put the snow right in here.
Okay, so put the snow inside.
It's blowing. Ah! I guess I did it wrong.
You want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay. Give me.
It's so long. Look at it. Or you can decorate it like me. Let's get started. I got the black marker. Get it to nose.
I wasn't in my nose. I was scratching my nose.
Oh.
He made 2 eyes. Okay, you got color in his eyes. Okay.
Doing a good job.
Yep. And then
Wait. Now done.
now you gotta put your nose on.
Oh, I forgot.
So you have to take the glue and you have to spray it on. Let me spray it on for you.
I know how to.
You know how to do it? Put it in the middle of his eyes.
Right here?
Yeah, right there.
Bye, Nana.
Oh, look at the snowman. Let me see. Great job.
Mom, give me. I forgot his belly.
He don't have a belly. That's just his face.
He do have a belly. He do have a belly.
Okay, let's go on to the next one. You ready?
Yep.
Okay.
So this is our third ornament. We're gonna stick You're gonna stick one snowman and one thread that you want.
And you already have the snow in your ornament, okay?
Here, Mommy.
Want me to put the glue on for you? Okay. You have to use a hot glue gun so you can't burn yourself. So Mommy did it for you, okay?
Only grown-ups can do it.
Yes,
not
because
little ones.
it's very hot, so you can't do it by yourself.
Not little ones. Little ones can do only their own little ones, right?
Yes.
If they do the big ones, then it's hot
Here
for
you go.
them and they can burn their nose. Wow, I'm gonna do this one. And this tree.
Okay, let it dry, okay? Just for a little bit.
Let me put it in there. Let me put the top on.
It has to dry first. Just sit it down.
That's top on the bottom. It's all dry now.
Okay, let me see. Let me see what it looks like. Turn it around. No, let me see the snowman in the tree.
It looked pretty, right? Now I'm gonna put the top on it. Look how good it is, guys. It can even shake.
You can shake it. Let me see. I can't see the front. I want to see his face.
Look at
Put
me.
your hand in behind it so I can see. Yes, like that. Yes, good job. Hold it up so I can see. No, hold it with your other hand.
Look, guys. Isn't it cool? Now I can put stickers.
Yes, now you can put stickers.
I don't want this one first. I'll put it right sticky here. The next. This one down. I'm gonna do this one. But this one is my favorite.
You like the Christmas tree?
Yep, I'll put it right here. So we can stick this. Now this one. We're going back to this one, so I put it right here.
Oh, so you're doing pattern? Okay.
I'm not doing pattern. I'm putting it side to side like you said. What about this one? Now the next tree.
Put it on the other side. No, not in the front, because then we can't see the snowman face. Put it on the other side. Yes, right there.
Look pretty, guys.
It does. Let me see the front. Turn it around more. Turn around this way. Yes. No. Turn around. Turn around. Yes, right there.
I'm gonna put more stickers. I'm gonna put some right here.
Okay.
Look, guys. Isn't it cool?
It's so nice. Very pretty.
Thanks, guys. I had so much fun making these ornaments with you. Which one is your favorite? Comment down below.
Which one is your favorite?
Hmm?
Which one was your favorite?
The one with the stickers.
You like the last one you did? I like the first one you did with the little bowls inside. That was pretty.
That was only a few. But we will be back for more. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit the thumb button. Be kind, love everybody, and always be you. See you tomorrow. Bye. Do you love it? Comment down below. Comment down below if you love it. Which one's your favorite? These two, this one, or these two? Comment down below. Bye.